Good morning, students. To continue with chapter Consumers, Equilibrium and Demand, topic is Theory of Demand, Part 5. Today we are going to study about change in quantity demanded and change in demand, or this is also known as movement along a demand curve and movement of demand curve. Change in quantity demanded is known as movement along a demand curve, and change in demand is also known as movement of demand curve. Change in quantity demanded or movement along demand curve includes extension of demand and contraction of demand, whereas change in demand or movement of demand curve includes increase in demand or decrease in demand. Here, change in quantity demanded is caused by change in price while other factors remain constant, whereas change in demand is caused by change in other factors while price remains constant. Here it is important to understand it clearly. Here we have divided all the determinants affecting demand into two categories. One is the relation between price and demand. Other is the relation between demand and other factors while price remain constant. Change in quantity demanded or movement along a demand curve. It is known as extension and contraction of demand. As I told you, in this case, we are going to study about relation between price and demand while other factors remain constant. Demand of a commodity extend or extension in demand takes place when there is fall in price of a commodity while other things remain constant. That is, there is no change in income, taste and preferences, price of related goods, and so on. All other factors affecting demand, they do not change. Then fall in price leads to more demand, which is known as extension of demand. It is indicated by downward movement along the same demand curve, as is explained through diagram and schedule. Now you look at schedule. Price is 5, demand is 1 unit. When price falls to 1, demand extend to 5 units. Same is explained through diagram. On y-axis, prices are taken. On x-axis, quantity demanded is shown. When price is rupees 5, demand is 1. And you mark the point A. Then price falls to 1, demand extend to 5. At this point, you write the point B. Join both the point A and B, you will get a demand curve AB. That is, there is movement from upper point to lower point on the same demand curve. So when there is movement from upper point to lower point on the same demand curve, it is known as extension of demand. Contraction in demand. As the name suggests, demand reduces. It reduces when own price of a commodity rises while other things remain constant. In this case, there is upward movement along the same demand curve as is clear from the diagram. Now you look at the schedule and the diagram. Here in the beginning, price is 1 rupee, demand is 5 units, price rises to 5, demand contracts, it comes down to 1. So it same is indicated by the diagram. In the diagram, when price is 1, demand is 5, that is we have write the point B, then price rise to 5, demand contracts, point is A. So in this case, the movement is from B to A point. So this is known as contraction of demand, that is there is upward movement along the same demand curve from point B to A. Now second concept, change in demand or known as movement of demand curve. It is also known as increase and decrease in demand. Although the dictionary meaning of expansion and increase is same. Similarly, the dictionary meaning of contraction and decrease is same. But here in economics, the meaning is different. So increase in demand, of course, it means more. But it happens. More of a commodity is purchased at same price. It is a situation of increase in demand. That is, demand increases because of change in other factors while price remains constant. Consumer demand more when there is increase in income of a consumer, when rise in price of substitute good, when fall in price of complementary goods, when there is favorable change in taste and preferences, when availability of commodity is expected to fall in near future, then consumers start purchasing presently more. So price remains same but demand increases. Let us try to understand through diagram. Now you look at the diagram and the schedule. Price is 10, demand is 20. Price is again 10 and demand increases. That is same price, more demand. It means there is any other factor due to which demand increases. In this case, there is rightward shift or forward shift in demand curve. Demand curve shift from D1 to D2. Same price 10 and demand is 30. So we'll draw a new demand curve. Decrease in demand. So when we purchase less at same price, this is known as decrease in demand. In other words, it occurs when quantity demanded of a commodity decreases because of other factors while price remain constant. It is decreased due to decrease in income of a consumer, decrease in price of substitute goods, increase in price of complementary goods, when there is unfavorable change in taste and preferences, and consumer reduces the demand while price remains same, when availability of commodity is expected to rise in near future. So consumer thinks they will purchase the commodity after few time, after few days or weeks or month, when the supply will be more of a commodity in a month. Now, from the schedule and diagram, it is clear price is 10. Earlier, the demand is 30 units. Again, the price is same, but demand reduces. So, it is indicating same price, less demand. So, there is backward shift in demand curve from D1 to D2, or there is leftward shift in demand curve. Factors we have already discussed, that is fall in income leads to fall in demand of a commodity. Thank you for watching.